15 signs she's constantly thinking about you. This is also how to know if a girl likes you. You might be wondering if a certain girl is constantly thinking about you. There are tons of practical ways to tell if you're on someone's mind, so today I'm going to give you the top 15 signs that she's constantly thinking about you. Let's start. Number 1. She looks at you a lot. When you are in a large group or in a large background, you will notice that she looks at you a lot. It catches your eye as you often encounter it. That sounds like a really good sign that she always thinks of you. For some women, she immediately looks away. Other women, she may grab your gaze and smile, or she may grab your gaze and look away. Every woman will be a little different. But if you see that your eyes meet often, it is because she cares about you. She does not care what happens in that room. She cares about you. Number 2. She gives you custom gifts. Gift cards and cash are great, but have you ever received a super thoughtful gift made especially for you? Or a best friend gave you something personalized? These gifts are definitely the best, and I got this to make you happy. These gifts will be personalized for you, so you can always think of her when you see them. Whatever this girl gives you, she makes it special because you have a special place in her heart and in her mind. The point is not really what she bought you. Why? Just the thought of pleasing you pushed this girl to make an effort she shouldn't have made. It was so cool. Number 3. She asked your friends about you. And that's how she asked your friends about you. She will ask if you are single, if you like certain things, or whatever. If she asks your friends about you, she will love you and obviously always think of you. This is a very brave thing for her to do because it has a good chance of coming back to you, right? There is a good chance your friends will tell you that she is asking questions about you. So not all women do that, but if you see her asking questions of your friends about you, it's because she's thinking about you again and again. Number 4. She will reach out to you. People are busy and it is not always easy to coordinate schedules. If you two do not share the same social circles or activities, this girl may be facing the same issue. That's when she becomes talented. That thought also stimulates her creativity. This girl will reach out to you for no reason, but she seems to have a reason. Excuse me, of course. Sometimes she comes to you to ask a self-explanatory question. Or maybe at school she will come to you to comment on something that does not require another discussion in class. Whatever it is, if this girl likes you, she will come to you and try to make some connection. Number 5. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future video. And comment down below, I subscribed, so we can welcome you. Number 5. She messages a lot to you. Our 5th sign that she is always thinking of you is that she sends you a lot of text messages. Some women like to start a text, while other women will totally encourage you to text and chat with them as much as you can when you text them. If you see her texting randomly, it's because she cannot stop thinking about you and wants to find some reason to talk to you. Number 6. She will never forget your details. When a girl remembers everything important about you, your birthday, the day you first saw each other, your first date, if you're already a girlfriend, the day a movie you said you liked, and so on, she's thought a lot about you. There is a big chance. Think about the time you fell in love with a girl. Not only did you remember important things about her, but you made her aware that she wanted to know how much you cared. Remembering important days in your life is a way for a woman to show how much she cares about you. Number 7. She always supports you in public. Our next sign that she is always thinking of you is that she will support you in public. Here is another thing you need to know about women. Like we worship him, and we're amazed at everything he does. If someone says something rude, you will see that she is supporting you or protecting you. But even more so if she agrees with your ideas and agrees with what you say and gives you a lot of support. Yes, it is a good sign that she will crush you severely. Number 8. Her body language. The 8th mark may actually be tactical to choose from, but it is fully functional because it is based on body language. Body language is an amazing skill to learn. Being able to read body language is great because it's one way you can get signals that we do not know we are doing and do not even know she is sending. If you do not talk to each other but you see her body facing you, it is a very powerful body language sign. So let's say you are in a large group of people. Maybe she looks at the person she is talking to, but you can see that her body is turned towards you. That's because her mind is on it. She thinks of you, but if her body is facing you, it's really because she wants to be here and she wants to keep talking to you. So body language is a really good way to know what is going on in her mind. If her body is pointing at you, it is because she thinks of you. Number 9. Her friends know everything about you. Our next sign that she is always thinking of you should do the same with friends, but this time it is her friends. A sign that a girl likes you is if her friends know everything about you. Now, like I said before, when a girl beats you, she always thinks of you. And ladies, we tell our friends everything. Like everything. So if his friends know everything about you, it's because he cannot stop talking about you. She always thinks of you, and yes, they know everything about you. Number 10. She tried to do nice things for you. Our second sign that she is always thinking of you is that she is out of her way to do good things for you. It's not a coincidence. Let's say she falls to the floor with cookies or something, or she's more than happy to help you. If she's always going to do good things for you, she's always thinking about you, and she's looking for any way you can to get to know her better, to get to know you better. Number 11. She smiles at anything you say. If a girl thinks of you, you are a funny person, and she laughs not only at your many jokes, but also at other random things you say, and she is happy to be around you. Then she is more likely to think about you often. Number 12. She communicates with you through social media. She always interacts with you on social media. We look at every photo of him and our hearts beat because he is so cute. So if you feel that she is very eager to connect with you on social media at any time, and you feel that she always likes, comments, interacts, and follows you on all your social media platforms, it is because she is always there for you, thinks, and she wants you to see her. She is looking for a way to interact with you. Number 13. She trying to impress you. When a girl is by your side and adjusts her face, hair, or clothes a little more, she tries to impress you. That's why she does everything she can to make your eyes more beautiful. If you do hang out with her or you are in a small group, but she spends a lot of time putting on lipstick or lipstick, looking in the mirror, or shaking off her clothes, it is clear that she is trying. Amazes you. Number 14. She blushes when talking to you. Let's face it. If a girl thinks about you often, she may have many fantasies about you. She could have imagined that the two of you would be together, traveling around the world and doing amazing things together. And when she speaks to you, those thoughts are getting closer to reality. Therefore, every time you talk to her, she smiles uncontrollably and causes lust in your eyes. This is especially true if this is something that does not happen to her when she talks to others. Number 15. You're the first person she invites out. When we plan, there are many things to consider. The best activities, the best location, and most importantly, the best people to invite. A festival is just as fun as the people who attend. Now, you need to understand if she invites you often or if you are planning a party that is part of it. No wonder she thinks of you. You've been running around in her mind for a long time, so she tries to increase the thoughts by spending time face to face with you.